Good day, viewers. I'm Giancarlo Aton. I want to talk about something that's often overlooked, something that impacts us all but is rarely discussed. It's called mental health. Title: The Silent Struggle Why Mental Health Awareness Matters for Students. We're students, we're ambitious, we're driven, we strive for success in academic and our social lives, but beneath the surface, many us crying a silent struggle. The pressures to succeed, to constant demands, to fear of failure. This can take a toll. We might experience anxiety, depression, or other mental health challenges, and the worst part of often feel alone, afraid to talk about it. But here's the truth: mental health is just as important physical health. It affects our ability to learn, to connect with others, to be our best self. It's time we break the silence and create of a culture of awareness and support. And why mental health awareness is important for students. First, early intervention save lives. Recognize the sign of mental health challenges are early can mean the difference between suffering in silence and getting the help we need. Second, resources are available. School, university, and community offer a wide range of resources for mental health support. Knowing where to turn for help is crucial. And what we can do promote mental health awareness. First, talk about it. Start conversation with friends, family, and classmates. Share your experience and listen to others without judgment. Second, educate yourself. Learn about different mental challenges, their symptoms, and available resources. And last, be kind and compassionate. Treat others with empathy and understanding, especially those who may be struggle. Mental health is not weakness, it's a part of our overall well-being. Let's work together to create an environment where all students feel comfortable talking about their mental health and seeking help when they need it. That's it all. Thank you.